In 2036, humanity answered one of its oldest questions. Are we alone? For 70 years, the universe remained silent. No signals, no visitors, no proof. And then we found something. 3 days later, every major space agency stopped talking about it. It didn't come from deep space radio telescopes. It wasn't a message. It was a pattern, a structure orbiting a dead star, 12,000 light-years away. Too symmetrical, too precise, too old. At first, scientists assumed it was natural. They always do. But when the data was reconstructed, the conclusion became unavoidable. This object was built, not recently, not millions of years ago, billions, which meant one thing. Civilizations existed long before us, and they reached far beyond their home worlds. The discovery raised a far more disturbing question. If intelligent life is common, why is the universe so quiet? Every model predicted the same outcome. Civilizations expand, they leave traces, they communicate, but the universe showed none of that. Until now, the structure wasn't transmitting. It wasn't active. It was abandoned. And it wasn't alone. Soon, more were found. Different systems, different ages, same outcome. Every civilization reached a certain level of technology and then disappeared. At first, scientists searched for disasters, supernovas, gamma-ray bursts, cosmic accidents. None matched. The disappearances were too synchronized, too consistent. Every civilization vanished shortly after mastering interstellar travel, artificial intelligence, large-scale energy control. Not before, not long after, almost on schedule. That's when a forbidden idea resurfaced. Maybe civilizations aren't rare. Maybe they're removed. What if the universe isn't empty? What if it's curated? A system where young civilizations are ignored, growing ones are observed, advanced ones are eliminated, not violently, not dramatically, quietly, leaving behind structures, echoes, grave markers, not as warnings, as proof. The silence of the universe was never natural. It was enforced. Humanity checked the timeline, our technology, our development, our energy usage. We had crossed the threshold, not discovered life, not contacted anyone, but become visible. For the first time in history, the question wasn't, are we alone? It was, how long do we have? There was no announcement, no press conference, no global address, just quiet changes. Deep space transmissions were reduced. Certain research projects disappeared. New telescopes were never launched. Humanity made its first unified decision as a species to stop looking, because if the universe is watching, silence might be the only form of survival. And somewhere in the dark, among the ruins of countless civilizations, something may have already noticed that we exist, and that we just went quiet. The universe was never empty. It was patient.